Hello and welcome. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to interactive geologic maps, and this is going to be useful for your week 3 checkpoint of your My Favorite Beach project. Now, I'm a little sniffly this week, so I might sound a little more nasally than usual, but let's get right into it. All right, so if you follow the links from Canvas, it's going to take you to this Washington Geologic information portal, and lo and behold, you have a geologic map of Washington State. Now, when you look at any geologic map, you'll notice that there's a bunch of different colors in a bunch of different places, and these different colors represent the different rocks or sediments that are present on the ground in those places. So traditionally, if you were to use a geologic map to find out what all these different colors would be, you would consult the legend, and that's down here at the bottom. You click it, it pops up, and it tells you what each and every one of those colors are, and there's a lot of them, and a lot of them are extremely similar. So the beauty of an interactive geologic map is that you don't have to hunt for those colors on the legend. You can visit the place that you are interested in. And so let's zoom into an area near Clark College. And we're curious what type of rock or sediment is under Clark College, which is somewhere in this area. So we'll click on that color, and you'll see that a red line kind of outlines that color. And then a window pops up with some information about those rocks and sediments there. Unfortunately, on the Washington map, you do have to scroll down to find anything about the rocks and sediments, and you'll see that the name is Pleistocene Outburst Flood Deposits. Now, a lot of this information might not make sense at first, but if you dig into this description, you will see some words you recognize. Like there is gravel, we see sand, silt. And so this gives us the impression that Clark College is built on a location that is underlined by sediments. Okay, so to be honest, this is probably going to be most useful for finding the rock type for your My Favorite Beach project, because a lot of those thin strips of sand that we have for beaches are too small to be on the map to scale. So that you're going to rely on your Google Earth or Google Images to really pick up on what type of sediment is there. Now I have links to the Washington map and the Oregon map, but most states in the US will have an interactive geologic map, and you can probably find it for spots outside of the US as well. All right, hopefully this helps get you started with your week 3 checkpoint, and don't forget to reach out to me if you have any questions.